Tielo mar 59 mag tuke rugby mag Christie Sevens nosidhi ayanga kawuono alap ma RFUA grounds katelo mar Kenya Harlequins osingo mar bedo gi tugo maberie moloyo higani. Tukego dhi chakore tarik 15 nyaka tarik 17 dweni. Timbe 36 mag chuo kod 8 mag mine oseyangi ni gibiro yuore tukego eko. Timbe madongo kaka KCB, Harlequins, Nondis kod Strathmore Leos gin moko kuom mago moseyango ni gidhi yuoro. Jata tije matukego ne Kesa Were osingo ne johera mag rugby tugo mong'ith.
Held from the 15th to the 17th of August at the home of Kenya Harlequins, RFUA grounds, which is where we are now, and it's likely to be the largest Christie's ever. In terms of numbers, from Friday to Sunday, we'll have about 81 teams with 972 players playing rugby. That number is growing as we have more teams confirming some of our tournaments. We have 36 teams in the men's competition, 8 teams in the women's competition, 33 teams in the age grade competition, 4 teams in the veterans competition. This year we're taking our live stream to greater heights. More cameras, more analysts, top-level commentary. We want to deliver a world-class experience to our online audience across Nairobi, across Kenya, across the world.
We don't have any particular star in the team that we'd want for anyone to look out for. We want all of you to look at the 13 who I'm sure can make the national team. And I'm sure we are proud of them, and I'm sure they'll deliver this coming weekend. We have a mix of experienced and rising stars, experienced players, and we have a couple of new players who will be there to showcase their talent this weekend.